Hello beautiful people, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Be Your Best with JK. So today's video is going to be really amazing as it's going to be an acne treatment video. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It causes whiteheads, blackheads or pimples. Acne is most common among teenagers, though it can affect people of all ages. Now moving to the causes, because it's really important that what is the reason behind the acne on your face or your skin. Excess oil production or excess sebum production, hair follicles clogged by oil and dead skin cells, bacteria, inflammation, hormonal changes, certain medications, diet, stress, greasy or oily substances, friction or pressure caused on your skin, genetics, hairstyling products that touch your skin, wrong facial hair removal techniques, using too many products on your skin, incomplete makeup removal, change of environment, heavy sunscreens, extremely dry or oily skin. So these were the basics about acne. Now I'm going to share some take care tips which you need to follow except remedies. And remedies not only work if you don't follow these take care tips, so must note it. Protect your face from dust, heat, strong chemicals, sunlight or other external damaging factors. Wash your face whenever you come back home, but do not exceed washing your face twice a day. Follow proper skincare routine. Eat proper and healthy diet. Avoid junk food or food with excessive calories. Know deeply about the products which you are applying on your face, like their ingredients. Keep in your notice the reason behind your pimples and avoid them. Now moving toward these two simple and effective remedies for all skin types. So I'm going to share the first one. So for this remedy, I'm going to take half a tablespoon of turmeric and adding a milk into it to make it a paste. Mix it properly to make a paste of it, smooth paste, and like this. Apply it on your face in upward motion. And one more thing, it leaves a stain, so I will recommend you to use it at night before sleeping so that its stain can be removed in the morning. So apply the face mask like this in upward motion properly on your face, neck, and keep it for 15 minutes, and this is dried after 15 minutes. Now wash it off gently and you can see the skin. It not only controls the pimples but also brightens up your skin. For second mask, I am going to take 1 tablespoon of curd and half tablespoon of neem powder and mix it properly like this into this consistency and apply it on your face for 15 minutes and gently remove it when it dries off after 15 minutes and wash it off. You can see the result. It will not give instant results but definitely will give the results if you follow these remedies daily. Let me know your reviews in the comment section and don't forget to like this video, share it with your near and dear ones and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Follow me on Instagram and till then take care. God bless you all. I'll meet you in the next video.